Hello everyone, welcome back to my new vlog, and for this vlog is I'm gonna show you a very interesting topic. So, as a vlogger creator, what is the things very important to bring as a vlogger creator? Before I'm gonna be started, please don't forget to like and heart and thumbs up and leave me a comment below and subscribe my YouTube channel MG and my Facebook page is MG my profile FB account is Mary Jean, my TikTok is Mary Jean Barrel. So, what is the things it is important as a vlogger creator? I'm gonna show you what the things that is important as a vlogger creator. First is, of course, cell phone, right? Cell phone, this is the one I'm using for vlogging, cell phone. And I have another cell phone because I have two cell phones. I have another cell phone over here for if ever I'm gonna be doing a workout. So I have my music over here on my phone, and my other phone, that's the one I'm doing a vlog. So, and then the other thing that's very important is, of course, selfie stick, right? It's selfie stick. It is very important to have a selfie stick vlogging. Without selfie stick, we using our hands, right, to do a vlog. But it's very comfortable, the selfie stick, to using a vlog or selfie while we take a picture or while we take a video. I have two selfie stick. I think the rest of you saw it already. This one, this selfie stick, why I have two selfie stick? Because for extra. So this one is a very high selfie stick. So when I doing workouts in outdoors, so I can use with my big selfie stick, which is very big one, this one. And the other one selfie stick is, of course, still big, but not much like very higher. This is like more small than this one. So I have two selfie sticks. So if ever I broke this one, so I have also another one selfie stick for extra. And this one is such a good selfie stick I have here because can also do putting my cell phone, and I can do put also my GoPro camera. Actually, my dear friends, I have a GoPro camera. This is for the GoPro, this one. So this is for the GoPro camera. So two selfie stick. Of course, I have another thing that if I don't want to use a selfie stick, if I will be in the outdoor, like if I go to the toilet, so I don't need to use selfie stick. So what I have is this kind this kind of things that I clip on my back of my phone case, my phone case. So this is the one. I think some of you saw it already. So this is the one. This one is I put this one on my at the back on my phone case, and I have already there. The color is black, and I have four of this one, a different color. I think some of you that I doing unboxing on my vlog, it's already see it, right? So this is four I have here. So I using on my phone case to have this one is color black. So I have extra one. So if ever it doesn't work anymore, so I can replace it another one. So make sure is I have this one. So the reason why I have this one, because if I wanted to do vlog, no need selfie stick, but I can clip, I can put on the window, I can put on the wood, because possible also on the wood, this one, especially the one I have here on my what we call that shelf there on my background there, right? Possible I can put there my phone to using my blog, and possible also this one with the window mirror. So that's why I buy this one. So as a blogger, it's important to have these things. No? So I have this one. I have the cell phone. And of course, with the selfie stick also, I have a remote. No, I have a remote. And this remote is very, very nice because it's a chargeable. It's a Bluetooth remote and chargeable, so no need to click, click, click with my hands if I wanted to do vlog or I wanted to do selfie. So I just using this one, but I'm getting lazy right now. I'm getting lazy to use a remote. I using with my hands, but when I go out, I using most of the time this one. Or if I doing workout, so I using also this one. So this remote I have here is a chargeable and it's fit over here in this selfie stick. And this one is I have also, but this one is not chargeable. It's gonna be empty battery. It's very fast to empty battery, but it's not a chargeable. So most of the time I'm using and bringing this one, this remote I have because it's chargeable. So this is the part for the selfie stick. And the other one, of course, as a blogger, we need to have a power bank. Power bank, because we are a vlogger and I am a blogger. If I go out, if my cell phone is empty battery, I have to make sure I have carrying my power bank. So I carrying my power bank all the time. Make sure my power bank is full. So when I go out, then my cell phone is empty battery, so I can charge and then I can charge with my power bank. So this is how with me when I go out and as a vlogger creator. So I have this one. I have power bank. And of course, while I'm doing workout, I need a Bluetooth headset. So this is a Bluetooth headset. So if I'm doing a workout in outdoor or indoor, I'm using my Bluetooth headset. Even though I'm going somewhere, going to the park, walking, and going to the bar, I want to make sure I have this one on my bag because I love listening to music. It makes me relaxing, and especially I wanted to do fitness like a Zumba workout, hardcore workout. So make sure I'm listening with this one and using with this one with a Bluetooth headset. So actually I have two. The other one I have is black, but it's not for me. It's for my husband, but my husband doesn't use it in all the time. So I'm using most of the time because if ever it's empty, this one, empty battery, I have extra Bluetooth headset to make sure I have extra on my bag. So it's like extra, extra. And then the another thing I have here, I just bought this one also, and I think some of you saw it already. I have the one I'm using here. This is a small microphone. This one I bought this one in Amazon, and yeah, look, this is the pouch for my things for my small microphone, and I using already here right now, and the other one, the USB to connect on my phone, so my phone and with me this one microphone, and I have another one if I wanted to interview with some friends. Included my vlog and do interview, so I can also give it this one of my friend. So even though we are in distance of my phone, at least I do interview with my friends, so you can hear our voice, whatever what we doing interview. It's look like I am a journalist. Journalist, just kidding. It's look like I'm a journalist or interviewing something. So if ever I might have a friend who's joining my vlog, so I can give it my friend to use this one, and I have another clip over here, and I have this charge. This microphone also is a chargeable. This is a chargeable, and I have make sure I have also this one um to charging. This one is possible to use also on the laptop and on the cell phone. And there is a wire also if I wanted to use with wire, with what we call that, with my laptop and this one, or I have another phone, so I can use this one, this kind of cord. And I have another one also here. This is for the interviewing na jud ba. This is all about wire. If I'm getting what we call that, if my Bluetooth is empty, or I mean if it's empty, this one possible to connect this one. So this cord have so many, and make sure I have this one on my bag. So this is the clip on my microphone. So I bring extra clips. So if ever I have a friend who is joining my blog, make sure I have this extra. So then this one is connecting for the laptop. This is also part of the package of my small microphone. And what else? Yeah, this is for the laptop also. USB for my laptop. If I'm using my laptop, I'm doing a live stream or whatever. So this is the one, my dear friend. So another thing I want to show you, things that for a vlogger, creator, what things I always carrying and bringing is another chichiboriching. This one. Yesterday I'm using already this one yesterday, but I am wrong to put my cell phone this one to attach this one. So I was doing a mistake, so I delete my blog, my video. So this one is it's like when you go to the mountain or you're going around with my baby, by going around with my baby, so I can put my phone over here and I will be wearing this one. I will be wearing this one. I'm gonna show you. I think some of you guys saw it already how I using this one. So for example, I wanted to use this one. I just want to put like this. It's like a, it's look like a backpack for vlogging, charot. Someone should like this. So like this, and then I will be closing because there is also a clip. Yesterday I was wrong to using this one, so I was a mistake to use this one also yesterday when I do using a blog yesterday. So what I mean I mistake is I'm doing this kind of position. Hmm? I'm doing this kind of position when I do vlog, but the wrong thing is the cell phone is going down. The view is not very straight. The cell phone, so most of the time supposed to be going down like this. Possible to go down also like this. Mm. So adjustable. If I'm doing biking, it's possible also. But this one, I think this is the correct one. The position of this one, and can also doing adjustable like this. This is the one when you are in the mountain, you're biking or cycling, you use this one. Yeah, you use this one as a cycling. This is how it's work on it. Zarang! I'm working. Another thing to bring. So this is the things that I always carrying on my bag. If I have a big bag, if I have a small bag, not this one cannot bring. So this is the one, my dear friend. And yeah, that's it. So once again, this is all the things that it is important for me as a vlogger creator. And this one I show you already. I will counting how many things. How many things? Uno, due, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight things that I always bring. Plus, I have this one. This is to look like to hat tie, or I can. This one is to hang on your neck, so the cell phone not gonna be lost, or the cell phone not gonna be lost. So it's safe on your neck, so not pull down your cell phone. So this is the one, my dear friend. I have here. So I just bought also this one. So this is all the things that I always keep carrying as a vlogger, creator of me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and heart, and leave me a comment below. Bye bye. God bless you.